we'll guide you through how to master DaVinci Resolve's color grading. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your desktop. Once you're in, navigate to the color page by clicking on the Color tab at the bottom of the interface. You'll see your video clip in the timeline at the bottom. Select the clip you want to color grade. Then, look to the right and you'll find the primary color wheels. These are your main tools for adjusting color balance and contrast. Start by using the lift, gamma, and gain wheels to adjust the shadows, midtones, and highlights respectively. Click and drag within the wheels to shift colors subtly. Next, move to the color curve section just above the wheels. Here, you can fine-tune your color adjustments with more precision. Click on the curve you want to modify, such as the RGB curve, and adjust the points to enhance or reduce certain color channels. If you want to target specific colors, use the hue versus saturation, and hue versus luminance curves. Simply click on the hue you want to adjust and drag up or down to modify it. For more advanced control, go over to the qualifier tool on the left side. This allows you to isolate and adjust specific colors or tones using the eyedropper tool. Select a color in your image, and DaVinci will create a mask around similar colors. You can then adjust these using the same color wheels or curves. A great tip is to use the Scopes panel, found on the right side, to monitor your changes and ensure your colors remain balanced. These visual tools show you real-time feedback on your adjustments. Finally, don't forget to save your project frequently by going to File, then Save Project. This ensures you don't lose any of your hard work. With these steps, you should have a solid foundation for color grading in DaVinci Resolve. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.